Hello there, I've got a nice little hack here to amplify the volume on your smartphone. It's a simple little thing, it doesn't use any electric, so it doesn't waste your battery. And all I did is I got a silicone housing which has a little hole there to go over your speaker, and I simply cut that hole a little larger and then bought a silicone expandable funnel from a household stores department, and that slots just into that hole that I've cut. Quite neat, tight cut. Then I've super glued that on, which has proved quite good actually. It hasn't cracked over the past year and it's been working really well. So just to show you, here's one I made earlier, and that just squashes down. So let's have some music and play. What shall we have? Something a bit. What do you reckon? That'll do.